Guys, Gaz Burrows here, burrowspt.com. I'm going to start this video with a question. Why do you exercise? Why do you aim to eat healthy? Why do you work towards staying injury and disease free? You might be like, well, that's obvious. It's to improve or maintain a good quality of life, to improve or maintain my health, to ensure I can live life and enjoy it. That's absolutely fantastic, do you know what I mean? It's doing the things that you want to do to become the person you want to be. And this is what I wanted to talk about today. Whatever you do on a day-to-day basis, whatever goals you set, whatever dreams or aspirations you have, physically, mentally, career-wise, we do the things to either change who we are or maintain what we currently have. We don't do these things to go back, we do them to change or maintain. Now by change, I could mean physically, mentally, socially, habitually, spiritually. And we could just look to maintain our health, maintain our physique, or maintain like a regular social activity that we enjoy doing. We do these things to change or maintain, but one huge problem lies in this. The problem lies when people want to change, but they are stuck in that maintain, doing the things that are just going to maintain what they currently have. Change requires effort. It requires sometimes doing the things we're not used to doing, or doing difficult things, or implementing things into our day-to-day in order to become the person we want to be, because the person we want to be isn't the person we are today. So we need to do the things that that person who we visualize is doing. We need to do that now. Say you're after losing weight, for example. If you're going to the gym but you're not challenging yourself on a regular basis, you don't have a plan, you're not fueling your body with nutritious foods or eating accordingly. Maybe it requires you to get up an hour earlier in the morning, but you're not doing that either, or you're not going to the gym after work because you're tired. You are not currently doing what the person you want to be would do. And that is what we need to do in order to get to that place. Now it completely depends on what angle you approach this. Maybe you don't want to change, maybe you have reached a point in your life where you're completely content and you can just maintain that routine. But if you're looking for change, we want to initiate change in our day-to-day now to become that person, and then maybe switch to a maintain phase. Like myself, over the past few years, I got to a point where I was happy with the way that I looked. I felt content. I enjoyed the gym. I enjoyed the activity levels that I was doing. I enjoyed the foods that I was eating. My weight was pretty consistent. I just worked to maintain that and factored in the things that I enjoyed doing into that lifestyle also. So it's about placing the bricks, the stepping stones towards that overall goal. So first of all, think about what you want. What is it that you want right now? Write a plan to get that, because regardless of what it is you want, however you want to look, whatever you want to do in life, there is a way to achieve it. And then number 3 is just do the plan and be consistent with it. Doesn't matter if it takes weeks, months, years, decades. If you've got that plan, if you've got that vision, you've got it down, you're working towards that goal, the only thing left is to do the thing. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Change or maintain. What is it that you want and what you're looking to achieve in your current situation? Hope that helps, guys. Take it easy.